Welcome to the LG Customer Support Channel. Today, we will give you an overview of the Smart Diagnosis option on your refrigerator. The Smart Diagnosis feature was created to give you more control and flexibility should you run into any problems with your LG appliance. It has the capability of transmitting data from your refrigerator to specialists who can quickly analyze and solve the issue from the service center instead of physically arriving to your home for maintenance, ultimately saving you time and money. SDS can be used through two ways: through the LG Service Center via telephone or through the LG Smart Diagnosis smartphone application. With the latter, an on-screen overview with step-by-step instructions are provided when you download the application. When you are asked to turn SDS on, please follow these steps. Please note that the SDS feature can only be used when the refrigerator is turned on. First, awaken the refrigerator control panel by pressing any button. Next, lock the control panel by pressing the lock button for 3 seconds. The indicator light will then show it is locked. Open the right side door of your refrigerator. Place your phone mic next to the refrigerator speaker and simultaneously hold down the freezer button for 3 to 5 seconds until a countdown from 15 seconds shows on the control panel, followed by a fax machine-like noise. While sustaining the phone next to the speaker, release the freezer button and wait until the countdown is over. After the 15-second countdown is over, the display panel will show end and the control panel will automatically unlock and go to your previous settings. The SDS process has then been completed. For best results, do not move the phone while the tones are being transmitted. If the call center agent is not able to get an accurate recording of the data, you may be asked to try again. A home telephone may work better than a cell phone for better SDS communication performance and better service. Thank you for watching the LG Customer Support Channel. We hope you enjoy your LG experience.